I never hit when it comes to clothing, but I actually did hit on this YZY hoodie. Of course, it'd be something by Gap. I don't know how hype this is. I don't know if anybody cares, but the least I can do is give you a retail reference. Okay, so first of all, it should be packaged like it's a kilo of cocaine. And if it's not packaged like this, definitely red light. Wow, this thing is big. What did I get? Did I get an L or XL? I got a large. All right, well, first things first. This is a large. Let me try to zoom out a little bit more. It is a very plain looking hoodie. However, I do admit that the material is heavy. It's kind of nice and heavy. So there's probably a higher thread count than a typical hoodie. Though, you know, maybe I'm just saying that, but I think that might be true. It does not feel like cheap material. But since this is a large, my favorite measurement is the half bust. And the half bust is basically armpit to armpit, and then full bust is just double that. So the half bust on this one is roughly 68 for a large. And I'm telling you guys, it looks big. It looks like it runs big. I will try it on to let you know. I like to pay close attention to the knitting here. The knitting on pretty much any seam is doubled inwards. I'm not really sure what you call that, but it's definitely a unique style of knitting that I see. It's on the shoulders and it's also on the neckline. We have a good amount of elastic here on the bottom. If I were to measure it, it would be about 7 centimeters. Yeah, 7 centimeters thick. And then how long is it? Well, yeah, let's go from the neck to the bottom here. This is about 54 centimeters long. The flap in front of the pocket is double layered, and you see it sewn inward here on both sides. How long is the sleeve, you might wonder? Well, I will go cut it out to the armpit. Sleeve looks to be about 56 centimeters long. I will try to white balance this video. That's why I have a gray backdrop here, but everybody's monitor shows things differently. So I will also try to use this color grabbing app, even though it's not very accurate, it's still better than me, to give you an idea what the color is. Okay, this is calling for Coca-Cola Red. It's an HEX number E5151A. And then here's the hood. Hood is very big. Lordy, lordy. This is a huge hood. From the front of the hood to the back, it's 28, like 28 and a half centimeters, I guess, to the dome piece there. It's very big. The more I handle this, I think the material is pretty good. I don't know if it was worth the money, but the material is pretty good. It's definitely gonna be more comfortable than most of my hoodies. And then for your reference, there is the tag on the inside. This is screen printed on there. Screen printed blue YZY. And I think that's the only branding I see. It's very plain. All right, gonna try it on now. So here's the fit. I am a short, chubby guy, and this is actually right on my waist. I thought it'd be longer than that, but it's right on the waist for me. So for you taller people or people with longer torsos, you might want to go up a size. But it's a hoodie. I think it's supposed to fit baggy, and it does, and I do like it. Again, I don't know if it was worth the money, but it's a nice hoodie. Peace.